In a world where DIY repairs can be a matter of life and death, a humble safety pin is about to reveal its surprising versatility. Meet the safety pin, a ubiquitous object found in every household, yet possessing a multitude of hidden uses. From securing loose threads to holding together broken zippers, the safety pin is an unsung hero in our daily lives. But that's not all. It's also a testament to human ingenuity and resourcefulness. Imagine a world where a simple safety pin can be repurposed as a makeshift fishing hook or a precision tool for electronics. It's a world where creativity knows no bounds, and even the most mundane objects can hold extraordinary secrets. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of DIY repairs and home fixes, all centered around the humble safety pin. You'll learn how to use a safety pin as a cord organizer, a plant marker, and even a plant label. With its versatility and adaptability, the safety pin is the ultimate symbol of DIY ingenuity. From the kitchen to the workshop, the safety pin is the unsung hero of our everyday lives. But what makes the safety pin so special? And how can you harness its potential in your own DIY projects? Let's start with the basics and explore the different ways you can use a safety pin as a DIY tool. One of the most common uses for a safety pin is as a cord organizer, helping to keep cables and wires tidy and organized. But did you know that a safety pin can also be used to repair a broken zipper or fix a torn seam? It's a simple yet effective solution that requires minimal tools and expertise. And then there's the safety pin's ability to be repurposed as a precision tool for electronics. With a few simple modifications, a safety pin can become a makeshift tool for repairing small electronics or crafting DIY jewelry. But what about using a safety pin as a plant marker or a plant label? It's a creative and eco-friendly solution that adds a personal touch to your garden or indoor plants. The possibilities are endless, and with a little imagination, you can turn a simple safety pin into a versatile DIY tool. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of the safety pin and explore the world of DIY repairs and home fixes, let's get started.
First, let's talk about the importance of safety when working with DIY projects.
It's essential to take necessary precautions to avoid accidents and injuries. Wear protective gear, follow safety guidelines, and always read the manual before starting a project. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the world of DIY repairs and home fixes using the safety pin. From fixing a leaky faucet to creating a homemade wind chime, the safety pin is the ultimate DIY tool. You can use it to repair a broken toy, fix a torn page, or even create a DIY photo display. The safety pin's versatility knows no bounds, and with a little creativity, you can turn it into a valuable addition to your DIY toolkit. But what about the safety pin's limitations? While it's an incredibly versatile tool, there are certain situations where it may not be the best solution. For instance, if you're working with heavy-duty materials or complex electronics, you may need a more specialized tool. However, in most everyday situations, the safety pin is more than capable of getting the job done. So, if you're looking for a reliable and adaptable DIY tool, look no further than the humble safety pin. With its countless uses and versatility, it's the perfect addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. From the kitchen to the workshop, the safety pin is the ultimate symbol of DIY ingenuity and creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of DIY repairs and home fixes using the safety pin today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials and home repair tips. If you found this video informative and entertaining, be sure to like and comment below. Your input and feedback are invaluable to us, and we're always looking for ways to improve our content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, with a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can turn any DIY project into a success story. And always keep in mind that safety should always be your top priority when working with DIY projects. Now, go forth and DIY with confidence, knowing that the safety pin is always by your side. Happy DIYing! Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials and home repair tips. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to explore, be sure to let us know in the comments below. We're always here to help and provide you with the knowledge and resources you need to succeed in your DIY projects. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Remember, the safety pin is more than just a humble object. It's a symbol of DIY ingenuity and creativity. So the next time you see a safety pin, don't just think of it as a simple household item. Think of it as a powerful tool that can help you solve a wide range of DIY problems and projects. And always keep in mind that with a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can turn any DIY project into a success story. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of DIY repairs and home fixes using the safety pin today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials and home repair tips. If you found this video informative and entertaining, be sure to like and comment below. Your input and feedback are invaluable to us, and we're always looking for ways to improve our content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials and home repair tips.